Okay, I want to show you how to capture on video how to solve this on a graphing calculator for those of you that are still having troubles with a graphing calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is type in the equation, which is needs to be written so that the whole equation equals 0. So we will type in our 2x squared plus 7x, and then we're going to type in minus 15 because the 15 is on the right hand side of the equal sign. Do not type in equals 0. We're just typing in the expression. And I have my window set to standard, so I don't even know if this is going to fit in my window or not, but I'm just going to hit graph and see what happens. There it is. We can't see the whole parabola, but I get an idea that it's scooping down here. And I'm really only interested in the 0 parts of it. This is a solution. Whatever this x value is and whatever this x value is a solution. So I'm interested in those. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use the calc function of your calculator, which is right here. So I will be using my second key. I will do a second calc. And it says to go to 0 right here. This will give you the zeros of a function. So you press enter. And then it's asking for a left bound. And you can see right now your cursor is at 0, negative 15. So my cursor is way down here somewhere. So I'm going to hit this arrow here to get it to come up over here so I can get on the left side of this point right here. So hopefully it's going to come up here pretty quick. Might need to hold it down for a little while. And I know it's going to take a while because I can tell this is at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. I can tell this is at negative 5. I'm getting close to negative 5 on my x. So I'm just going to keep going. Oh, there it is right there. And it says it wants a left bound, so I'm going to go up here because that's on the left side, and then this will be my right bound, left and right. So I need to be to the left of it and to the right of it. So now I'm to the left of it, so I'm going to hit enter. And then it's asking me to go to the right of it, so I'm going to go to the right arrow and go to the right of it and hit enter. And then it's asking me to guess what that point is in between those two stops I made. So I'm going to hit guess, and it tells me that at when x is negative 5, y is indeed 0, so I have a 0 at negative 5. And then I'm going to go ahead over here and try the same thing, but I have to start all over again. So I'm going to do my second calc again. I'm going to go to 0. I want it to find zeros of the function. It's asking me for my left bound, and this time I want to be over here. So I'll need to be to the left of it, and then I'll need to be to the right of it, and then I'll let it take a guess. And again, I'm going to look for something between 1 and 2 on my x numbers because I can tell it's between 1 and 2. So I'm going to watch these numbers until I get to like 1 or 2. Then I'll know I'm getting close. Okay, I should be getting pretty, there we go. But again, I need the left bound, so this time, oh, that's too close. This time I'm going to stay on this side of it because that's my left bound and hit enter. And I need to go right bound, so I'm going to hit my right arrow and get to the right of that point and hit enter. And then it's asking, do you want to guess what that point is? Yes, I do. And you can see I have another 0 at 1.5. When x is 1.5, that's when y is 0. So I do know that 1.5 is a solution to this quadratic. Great.
Mrs. Gunther, call the office, please. Mrs.